बी फार्मेसी कर ली एंड अब यू आर कंफ्यूज्ड के कन्वेंशनल पाथवेज ले यानी कि गेट इनटू इंडस्ट्री, डू एम फार्म, एम टेक, एम एस, or go for an unconventional path, a path that pays you well, a path that redefines the future of pharma. Yes, absolutely. I'm talking about the PG diploma courses and the pharmaceutical management courses. So IIHMR, which has AICTE accreditation, has brought to you an exclusive opportunity to learn, adapt, and get a global exposure to the industries. With a strong alumni network, with an amazing faculty profile, thousands of healthcare projects and industrial real life case based projects on which you can work that can give you a micro environment, an ecosystem of business. Basically, a comprehensive 360 opportunity for you. So, there are a variety of courses that are being offered. What are those? Number one, we have postgraduate course diploma PGDM management. In that, we have three categories. So, number one is hospital management. Number two is hospital management, health management in the public health. So, health MPH. It's just like we have a master's in public health. It is a PGDM in public health. And the number third course is health information technology. HIT, Health Information Technology. Then there is a special PGDM course which is on artificial intelligence and data science in healthcare. We all know that artificial intelligence, machine learning, NLPs have gaining a lot of importance in the field of pharma, and that's the future, right? Though it cannot replace humans, but it will definitely replace those individuals who are not equipped with the power of AI. All right. So these courses offer an equivalent great exposure of projects, outcomes that are going to help you for a decision making, analytical skills, critical thinking skills, and many more. It will help you to become one of the industry leaders with a strong subject matter experts teaching you, mentoring you, and guiding you. So you can see on the screen the different project outcomes that are there. The course structure: in the first year, the term one, you have the induction course, foundation course, and core courses. All right, induction, foundation, and core. These are the three subcategories of the courses that you'll have to go. In the term two, you will have summer training program where it's an integral part of the complete MBA, which helps you a practical exposure and a strong learning, just like an internship. Similarly, in the second year, the term 3 and term 4. So, for all the different courses, you have different types of term 3 and 4 depending upon the area of expertise or the interests. So, you have in the hospital management, the public health, a different one, in the health management, a different one, the pharmaceutical management, a different curriculum, and thereby in the health information technology, a different curriculum. So, overall, all of them have a different curriculum. So admission, you need a management aptitude test, either MAT, CAT, CMAT, lot of different management aptitude tests. Admission process is simple. The admissions for the year 2026, 2027 and 2028 have already been open. So go check out the portal. I'm dropping down the link out here. एक बार देखना ज़रूर, बिकॉज इट्स ऑलवेज इंपॉर्टेंट कि बिफोर चूजिंग ये आपके करियर का शायद लास्ट स्टेप ऑफ स्टडीज हो सकता है. यू हैव कंप्लीटेड योर बैचलर्स, नाउ इट्स टाइम यू परस्यू योर पीजी डिप्लोमा और योर मास्टर्स. सो दिस इज द डिसाइडिंग स्टेप. इसके बाद प्रॉबेबली पढ़ाई नहीं होगी, इसके बाद जॉब होगी. सो चूज वाइजली. Do not get influenced, do not get manipulated by different other domains. Yourself explore and find out the different scope and opportunities that you have to go. The fee structure is also very very feasible. I've mentioned the fees as per the prospectus. Go through the prospectus. It's very important कि आपको कॉलेज के बारे में पता हो. Where you're going to spend the next 2 years, you know about the college. Of course, all the courses are AICTE approved with a specific industrial relevance, capstone practicum projects, amazing teachers that are always there to mentor you, opening the doors of exclusive career opportunities. So the core benefits of the course are to not just prepare you as an individual and develop your personality, but also to equip you with certain hard skills and soft skills that are going to help you ahead in future. So these are the different program objectives and outcomes that you're going to learn for sure from these. And if you're looking out for a career in operations, data analytics and data science, AI in pharma, business development, project executive, product management, or logistics, or market research, any of these domains, then these courses will open the doors for you. Absolutely. They are entry level courses. So you can find out the more details on the website itself. Let me tell you, these courses are amazing and you're gonna get to learn a lot. Specifically, अगर आपका target है कि आपको bachelor's में पढ़ाई कर ली, you're not interested. You want to do something which is hidden, which is not so common, something extraordinary. आप में वो skills है to you have a strong conviction power, you have a strong convincing skills, आपके पास selling skills है, you know how to convince people, how to market things. You are good at promotion, you are good at selling, you are good in strategy building. So these courses are gonna accelerate you, they're gonna boost you, they're gonna induce you, they're gonna elucidate your path to a new domain. Absolutely. So choose wisely, and definitely you can see the placement record. It has an amazing placement opportunities. So the ROI, return on investment, is good. क्योंकि हमेशा जब हम कहीं पर इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, the first thing that comes to our mind, the return on investment. Are we gonna get something good out of it? So definitely you can check out the placement records. It has been significant with amazing companies like Biocon, Cipla, and top firms that are recruiters in the college. And the best part, IIHMR Bangalore is a hub. You all know that in Bangalore we have so many companies of pharmaceutical, of healthcare. So you have a better chance of internship, a very close by chance. You have a better network through which you can easily, and it will open a new landscape for you, because you get to work with different companies, you get to work in different domains and departments, enhancing your skills. So what are you waiting for? Go check out the courses. Wishing all of you good luck. Have a great day. And do like, share, subscribe the channel for more such upcoming information with respect to pharma careers and avenues.